Hi friends, welcome to Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. Let us gain knowledge on testing concepts. Please subscribe to the channel.
Hi friends, today let us gain knowledge on test execution. It is the fifth phase in STLC. It is considered to be the most important phase as actual testing is done in this phase. Friends, we know that every phase has entry criteria. Once we satisfy the entry criteria, then only the phase begins. The entry criteria for the test execution phase is test plan, document, and test cases, test data, test environment. Once we have all these things, then only we can start this test execution phase. To know more details about the test plan document, test cases, test data, and test environment, please watch the previous videos. The video links are available in the I card section. Friends, the test team starts executing the test cases based on the planned test cases. If a test case result is pass or fail, then same should be updated in the test cases. Once the test case is filed, it should be updated in the defect tracking tool. The defect report should be prepared for failed test cases and should be reported to the development team through a bug tracking tool or defect tracking tool for fixing the issues. Once the developer gone through the issues and fix the issues, we have to retest. Retesting will be performed once the defect is fixed. The test execution phase has deliverables, that is test case execution report or the defect report. Once these are generated, we can close this execution phase, that means the test execution phase.
Friends, please click on subscribe button to support our channel Abhey. And also please click on like button and share this video to your friends who are eager to gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, I heartfully thank you for your valuable support to our Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. I hope it will continue forever.